Good morning. Guess what time it is? So I have everything ready. I put my hormone in it, the needle. I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes. Okay, so we got everything set up right. You're gonna get your needle. I'm using the 23 gauge time. So it's basically the 1 inch needle. I pre-filled it already, but just to do it over, definitely. So get your extracting needle. You're gonna put that in. You're gonna screw that onto the syringe, and then you're going to push air in. So when it comes out, hormone will come out by itself. It'll draw down itself. But I have to only go to number one. See it. I probably put too much in here, just so you guys can see. But you go to where you. There we go. You go to where you need to set it, unscrew it, put this finger, come push it down so there's no accidents. And you go right in and put your other syringe back on that this package came with. But make sure you wash your hands before you do all of this, okay? So you ain't got time to get sick or no infections, okay? So, I'm going to show you how I inject myself. I normally like to warm my hormone. I'll put it under my arm just for minutes, just to get it warm, because it's an oil. So, heated, it distributes better. And try it. Next thing we're gonna get is our alcohol and our napkin. And we sterilize. Okay? We're gonna sterilize. The reason why I'm doing it in my leg is I ain't got time to be doing no gymnastics, doing a shot. That's for the that's for the birds. I want to sit down and I want to be able to control. I need my hand. You can't do that. Like, it's not comfortable. So that is why I do it in my leg. I can see everything. It's more manageable and it's more easy. So while this is down, we're gonna take the air out of here. So you bring it up. You're gonna take all the air out. You see that bubble coming up? You're gonna try to get it out of there, but go all the way up. Make sure you get all those bubbles out because you don't want no air bubbles inside you. Okay. This is gonna take the longest because I take my time because it's still a needle. You want to get almost to your knee, not